Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app World Time Action Automation for workflows. Once you are in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then head over to install and choose an account to install it. Click on continue, click on allow and install. Copy the custom menu link right over here, switch back to the account, click on settings, head over to custom menu links and you click on create new. You give an icon, a title and you paste the link right over here. You choose a sidebar preference, an account and the role-based visibility. Then you click on save. Switch to the account where you added the custom menu link, click on it and the first interface of the app is going to pop up. Search for the app and you click on manage. Then the second interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation. And this documentation is going to help you begin your journey with the app. We have the Smart Queue video to guide you on how to set up your app. Click on the Start Setup, insert your email and click on Complete Setup. Then your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and book a call with the support team. We have a changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.